Soil erosion, when wind and rain carry away the upper layer of the soil. This layer is rich in nutrients, and losing it means losing the foundation of life for the plants. But there's a simple way to stop this, by using multiple cropping.
Every year, farmers lost their most valuable resource, soil. Soil erosion silently washes away the fertile topsoil needed to grow healthy crops. Without action, farming becomes harder, harvest becomes smaller, and lands become weaker.
Multiple cropping. Multiple cropping means planting 2 or more crops in the same land in one season. It covers the soil from heavy rain and strong winds that causes erosion.
Different crops have different root systems, some deep, some shallow, that helps together to hold the soil firmly in place. This natural teamwork reduces soil loss and helps the land stay healthy. Aside from protecting the soil, multiple cropping improves fertility. When one crop adds nutrients, the next one benefits. This means more food, healthier plants, and less expensive for fertilizer.
Here, in Research, Development and Extension, in Central Mindanao University, multiple cropping is already practiced. It helps the land sustain, used by the students for agricultural experiments, and keeping the soil rich for future learning.
By mixing crops, we're not just saving soil, we are saving the future of farming. This simple, affordable method keeps our land productive while protecting it from erosion.
A healthy soil means a healthy future.